Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about separation of substances. There are many instances when we notice a substance being separated from a mixture of materials. Tea leaves are separated from the liquid with a strainer while preparing tea. Here are some methods which are used to separate substances from a mixture. Here you can see handpicking, thrashing, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation and decantation, filtration, evaporation, distillation, sublimation, magnetic separation method, separating funnel methods. Here we will discuss about some of them. First one, handpicking. Here you can see in the picture, this is the simplest method. This is used only when unwanted substances is in small quantity. Thrashing. This method is used for separating seeds from the harvested stalks. For larger quantities, thrashing is done in the traditional way by using animals. For this, stalks are spread around a pole. Several bullocks are tied to the pole and are made to walk over the harvested stalks. Trampling by hoofs of the animals help in separating grains. Nowadays, threshing machines are also used for these purposes. Now, winnowing. It is an ancient method for agriculture for separating grains from the chaff. It is also used to remove weevils or other pests from the stored grains. Sieving. In this method, a device named sieve is used to separate unwanted material from the wanted elements for characterizing the particular size distributing of a sample. Here you can see in the picture, a sieve is used to separate larger size particles from the smaller size particles by using a sieve. Evaporation. It is a type of vaporization of a liquid that occurs from the surface of a liquid into a gaseous phase that is not separated with the evaporating substance. The other type of vaporization is boiling, which is characterized by bubbling of saturated vapor forming in the liquid phase. Condensation. It is a change of the physical state of matter from gas phase into liquid phase. This is the reverse of vaporization. The most often refers to the water cycle. It can also be defined as a change in the state of water vapor to liquid water when in contact with a liquid or solid surface or cloud condensation nuclei within the atmosphere. Sedimentation. It is a tendency for particles in suspension to settle out of the fluid in which they are entrained and come to rest against a barrier. This is due to their motion through the fluid in response to the forces acting on them. These forces can be due to gravity, centrifugal acceleration, or electromagnetism. Decantation. This is the process for the separation of mixtures by removing a layer of liquid, generally one from which a precipitate has settled. Here you can see in both the pictures, in one there is a simple method and in the second one funnel is used to do this. Now, filtration. In this method we separate solids from the liquids by using a medium through which only liquids can pass. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.